Hi guys, so I'm unboxing my Nespresso machine right now, and I kind of wanted to film it so you guys could see. So I'm gonna put this here and the phone here. Now, I already opened the box as you can see, but I also wanted to show you guys what came inside. Firstly, let me actually tell you what I got. So it is the Nespresso Vertuo, and I got the Cinco 3. So what that entails is the Vertuo coffee Nespresso maker, and also this Nespresso frother. So it's a milk frother. You can froth your milk to make lattes and cappuccinos. And like I was mentioning earlier, I got this box in it as well, which is actually a few of the Nespresso capsules for me to try and see if I like it. So I'm super excited to have this, and let's take out the Nespresso machine right now. It's kind of hard to take out. Let me. Okay, be careful. It's really heavy when you take it out. It's so pretty. Let me just take this. See, I'm gonna place it in a nice little corner, and you guys can see it. Look at her. She's so pretty. So it comes with this little I guess you could say cup holder, and I believe you can actually move this upwards and it sticks. It's magnetic, so if you want to have like espresso shots, you make it shorter. If you're just doing coffee, which is a long espresso, you would basically do it down here. So shiny and beautiful. You have your water holder on one side, and I believe this is for the pods. So maybe I'll do like a little display on how it works after, but essentially it will come out of there when you're done making your coffee, and it goes through here. Yes, I did my research, and my cat is being annoying. Lion, what are you doing? Okay, so I've done the cleaning, and I'm now gonna make my first coffee. Let me take my glasses off because I'm more comfortable with my glasses off. I'm gonna firstly open this. So let's see what's inside this beautiful box. I know it's capsules, but you know the specific flavors. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that. It's so beautiful. Like, that's such great presentation. How do you even like I'm just like in awe because I have it now in front of me, and I'm like, wow, this is amazing. So this is really great packaging, and honestly, when I was doing my research on what to get, Nespresso was the only one that really caught my eye. It's literally like having a little club. They have a membership, and they have in Toronto, they have a store specifically for Nespresso in the Hudson's Bay, and there's other locations as well. And essentially you can go there, look at the machines you want to buy, also look at the espressos and coffees that they have. In total, they have, I believe, 26 different coffees, from espressos to longer coffee. For me, when I did my research, I knew that I wanted the Vertuo because I can do espressos and coffees as well. I'm not really an espresso drinker, just plain espresso, but I'm more so a coffee drinker, and that'll be perfect for me when I go to work and stuff like that. So I'm glad that in this set that my boyfriend got, it came with one, the machine, two, it came with the frother with milk. So if I want to make a latte or cappuccino, which is what I really like, then I can do that. And then also it comes with some samples for you to try, which is amazing. I'm glad that you get a few so you could try them out and see which ones you like. And I have 12 different types in here, and all of the coffees, espressos that they have are listed at the top here. So I'm gonna actually look through it and see the one coffee that I want to try or to make, and then I'm going to do that on here. From what I know is that they have different sizes. So the espresso, obviously espresso shots are shorter, so they are smaller capsules, and I'm sure this one is an espresso. Yes, it is. This is called the Altiso. It's a purple color, and I know my lighting is super bad. I'm so sorry about that. And then this one here as well is an espresso, and this is the Altiso, I believe, yeah. But I'm gonna try the coffee ones. Let's see what I should try. So they have intenso here, I think. Oh, yes, and this is so amazing. So they have the names of the flavors and coffees right here on this tin label. So that's so perfect. I was like, how do I know which one is which? I think this is what I want to try, but I don't. That's perfect that they have it. So let me try the coffee one. I think I'm gonna try Stormio. And also, they have an app where you can actually go on there and see which ones you want to try or whatever, or like what more details of the description of the coffees and stuff like that. Also on here, it shows you the ones that you can actually make with milk. So like lattes and cappuccinos you can use with milk. And I'm actually gonna try this green one here. I'm gonna try Stormio. Or no, yes. Don't want decaf? No. I don't want to try these ones yet, which are the ones that you make with milk. I want that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do Stormio. That's the one that I'm going to try today. So, Stormio. So, this is it. This is the moment of truth. I'm going to try making my first Nespresso coffee on my machine. I'm so excited. I'm gonna turn you guys around so you can see what I'm doing.